Many people are choosing to give up bottled water or complicated water filtration systems in exchange for the best home water coolers on the market. There are many high-quality options from bottom-loading coolers to top-load water coolers, as well as porcelain water dispensers that work well in most homes and kitchen spaces. We've researched and discovered the 10 top-rated water dispensers for home use, plus 2 you may want to avoid. And now for the Freshness.com reviews of the 10 best home water coolers, plus the 2 worst to avoid. Coming in at number 1, Brio Essential Series Bottom Load Hot, Cold, and Room Water Cooler Dispenser. Without a doubt, this Brio is the best hot and cold water dispenser for home use because of its outstanding design. The easy-to-use bottom-loading design lets nearly anyone in the home change the water bottle when it runs dry. But there are a ton of other features that the best Brio water dispenser for home use has that makes it worth the investment. Brio Essential Series Bottom Load Hot, Cold, and Room Water Cooler Dispenser uses indicator lights to let you know when hot or cold water is at ideal temperatures. There's also an LED light that indicates when the bottle needs changing. The top feature that you need for your home is the child safety lock. The spouts are low enough for most children to grab their own water, but you don't have to worry about accidental burns because of the child lock ensuring that hot water cannot be poured. This lock requires both hands and a little concentration to get the hot water flowing. Coming in at number 2, Whirlpool Self-Cleaning Hot and Cold Stainless Steel Bottom-Loading Water Cooler. This unit is the best Whirlpool water dispenser for home use. The stainless steel finish will pop in any kitchen, den, or dining area, as well as office space. It's everything you could ask for with indicators to display the status of the temperatures and cleanliness, as well as water level. You can know everything about your machine with a single glance. As a bottom-loading option, you can't ask for an easier pump or siphon system. The hose reaches far enough out for you to pull the empty bottle out and detach the pump outside of the water cooling system. Then you simply slide in the new bottle. Whirlpool Self-Cleaning Hot and Cold Stainless Steel Bottom-Loading Water Cooler does have a significant advantage over many other options you could consider for home use. It's self-cleaning, which means that you don't have to worry about your family ingesting a buildup of bacteria or viruses with their drinking water. Coming in at number 3, Brio Commercial Grade Bottleless Water Cooler with 3 temperature setting and filter. A great addition to any kitchen, this direct line water dispenser will provide cold or hot drinking water all day long. Without bottles, you might wonder why this unit is so big. Even though the Brio Commercial Grade Bottleless Water Cooler with 3 temperature settings and filter uses a direct line, it houses an additional filter system. This extra filter system is not something you find in most water dispensers. As its best feature, this Brio water dispenser plays up its 3-step filtration process. It eliminates 68 contaminants, including chlorine, sediment, chemicals, and lead. This water dispenser is ideal for people who live in areas with poor drinking water options. What makes this water dispenser even better is that it dispenses both hot, cold, and room temperature water. It's easy to use for hot cocoa, cold drinking water, or even cooking. Looking to learn more about the top water dispensers for home use in this review? View the links in the description section and click to learn more. Coming in at number 4, Avalon Countertop Self-Cleaning Bottleless Water Cooler Water Dispenser. If you have more counter space than floor space, choose the water dispenser that sits on the counter. Many homeowners love that this water dispenser is just out of reach for most children. There's a child safety lock on the hot water dispenser to help prevent accidental burns. As the best bottleless water cooler for home use, you'll need access to a direct water line. Avalon Countertop Self-Cleaning Bottleless Water Cooler Dispenser is perfect for placements right next to the kitchen sink. You'll also appreciate that it has a nightstand and a nightlight, so you can easily navigate through to get a cold glass of water in the middle of the night. Its best feature beyond the rest is that it makes this a great addition to any home in the sense that it has a self-cleaning mechanism. With a cleaning ozone function, you can ensure that the lines and spouts don't build up with any harmful bacteria or virus, which is very important for any household. Coming in at number 5, Avalon self-cleaning bottom-loading water cooler dispenser with an innovative slim design. Self-cleaning, bottom-loading, and slim, it's everything you could want for your kitchen. A compact design is the solution to being short on space. This bottom-loading water dispenser focuses on innovative design. UL Energy Star approved ensures that this unit is energy efficient, but you will want to know and make sure that you don't block the air vents. These air vents are vital for this hyper-efficient compressor. Avalon self-cleaning bottom-loading water cooler dispenser with an innovative slim design is the best Avalon water dispenser for home use. It's slim, energy efficient, and child safe. This device uses a button on top of the hot water spout. You must use both hands to pour hot water. The first hand to hold the cup and depress the spout lever, and the other to hold down the lock button. Coming in at number 6, Aero Home Products 00746 Fridge Stack Beverage Container 5-quart Clear Water Dispenser. It's the ultimate choice for anyone who wants regularly cold drinking water, but is also dealing with a budget. The plastic for this beverage container is BPA-Free. Aero Home Products Fridge Stack Beverage Container 5-quart Clear Water Dispenser also fits snugly into any refrigerator without taking up a lot of space. The easy lever lets you access the water without adjusting the container, so you can stack anything on it, whether that's cans of other beverages or leftover food. Probably the best part of this water dispenser is that it's stain resistant. Many water dispensers that use a similar design will yellow after only a few weeks or months. You can quickly put this into your refrigerator and fill it regularly. This Aero water dispenser is exceptionally great for people with small homes and smaller refrigerators. Consider this unit if you're limited on counter space as well as floor space, or would rather have your water dispenser directly in your refrigerator. Coming in at number 7, New Wave Enviro Stainless Steel Water Dispenser. The best New Wave water dispenser for home use is also stylish. This water dispenser uses a plastic ring with a lever faucet to ensure that this device doesn't leak. Many people love using this New Wave water dispenser for kombucha brewing as well. What's impressive about this New Wave Enviro stainless steel water dispenser is its size. It is a great 2.5 gallon dispenser that comfortably holds 3 or 5 gallon water bottles. This unit is the best countertop bottleless water dispenser for home use because of its simple design. You won't have to worry about electronic components, water lines, and with this simple design. A water dispenser doesn't always need lights, timers, and filters. The New Wave water dispenser is everything your kitchen or home needs without all the bells and whistles. With 6 exterior designs to choose from, you can pick the water dispenser that works best with your home decor. Coming in at number 8, New Wave Enviro BL2W Stand Porcelain Water Dispenser with Wood Counter Stand. Although the New Wave Enviro Porcelain Dispenser with Wood Counter Stand doesn't work for every counter, it makes its way onto tabletops everywhere. The wood counter stands make it convenient so you don't necessarily lose out on table or counter space. Overall, it's the sleek design that makes this such an excellent option. This porcelain crock is lead-free and holds 2.5 gallons while supporting a 3 or 5 gallon water bottle. These crocks do well to prevent leaks with a sturdy ring around the faucet that will hold up through months of consistent use. The great thing about its porcelain construction is that it cleans easily. The wood stands, however, not only require a bit of assembly, but can grab onto dust or grime as well. The wood stand do offer tremendous support and uphold the water bottle. Coming in at number 9, 5 gallon water bottle cooler dispenser stand with 55 mm non-screw BPA-Free valve stainless steel rack. Unlike the other water coolers that take up a ton of space, this stainless steel rack is a water dispenser that doesn't require as much room as the standard 5-gallon water bottle. The FAZ flow spout ensures that your cup fills up instantly. The goal of using this style of water dispenser is to eliminate the plastic waste that comes from plastic bottles, but you want something that will last for years, not just a few months. 5-gallon water bottle cooler dispenser stand with 55 mm non-screw BPA-free valve stainless steel rack will last for years. The spigot installs easily onto any 5-gallon water bottle. After you get the spigot on, all you have to do is lift the water jug onto the rack. This water dispenser rack only relies on gravity to move the water into your cup. There aren't any electrical parts to deal with, but best of all, it's a user-friendly way in every way. The rack is easy to clean and dishwasher safe. It's also collapsible and portable to take on trips. Coming in at number 10, Comfee Countertop Bottleless Water Cooler Purifier. Bottleless, UL certified, and made for your countertop are all aspects that make up a great water dispenser for home use. There are a series of reminders for the smart filter, so you'll never go without fresh purified drinking water. The cold water dispenser, right at 50 degrees Fahrenheit, holds an exact temperature well throughout the day. This countertop design makes it easy to grab a glass of water, but if everyone is grabbing a drink at once, it won't affect the water temperature. The slim design makes it a quality choice for small kitchens or for people who need filtered drinking water. It sits on your countertop without impeding on your space. Comfee Countertop Bottleless Water Cooler Purifier works through a refined carbon and coconut filter to catch a wide array of impurities. Finding this review educational and entertaining? If so, please like this video and leave a comment below with your favorite home water cooler. Click the subscribe button and tap the notification bell to receive fresh weekly video updates. And now for the Freshness.com water dispenser for home use to avoid. Nutrichef Countertop Water Cooler Dispenser. The biggest downside of this Nutrichef unit is that it leaks often. The seals are cheap plastic that cracks, tears, and will fall out of place easily. You might be lucky to see a few weeks of quality water dispensing before this unit leaks, and everywhere. Then there is the issue of taste. The subpar plastic leaves a long-standing unpleasant taste in your mouth. Although Nutrichef is a well-known name, they don't have great customer support. They won't respond to any issues regarding leaking or the plastic taste. The innovative tabletop design falls flat. Nutrichef Countertop Water Cooler Dispenser is hands down the worst water cooler dispenser for home use on the market. Skip this innovative design and go with an option that will last for much longer. And the next to avoid, Honeywell HWB2052S2 Tabletop Water Cooler Dispenser. Honeywell isn't aiming for the stars with this model, and they've still managed to come up short. Although the design appears simple with only 2 spouts, there are many flaws in the basic construction that leads to leaks and issues with holding an accurate temperature. The hot water option is only good for 4 liters per hour, which is lower than the standard for water dispensers with heating options. But the cold water option is even worse. This unit only cools 2 liters of water per hour. This volume is not enough for a household. Avoid the Honeywell Tabletop Water Cooler Dispenser for home use. Many other bottleless water dispensers provide hot and cold and even room temperature water. The final issue with this water dispenser is the size. It's the tabletop water cooler that takes up too much space to sit on your tabletop for very long. And now for the final thoughts on buying one of the best home water coolers. There are many options available, but the best water dispenser for home use is on this list. You need a water dispenser that is safe, easy to use, and will last you for years. Focus on finding the right unit for the space you have available within your home. Looking to learn more about the best home water coolers available? In this review, view the links in the description section and click to learn more. If you found this review educational and entertaining, please like this video and leave a comment below with your favorite home water cooler. Click the subscribe button and tap the notification bell to receive fresh weekly video updates.